Your first major Year 12 English assessment is here, the persuasive spoken response. And the biggest mistake you can make is treating it like an essay. This isn't about crafting the perfect sentence for a silent reader. It's about commanding a room with your voice, your ideas, and your presence. The secret isn't just having a good argument. It's about building a bridge between three key points: your studied text, a significant real-world issue, and a specific audience. Don't just argue risk-taking is good based on a novel like Tim Witten's Breath. Argue how the book demonstrates that today's culture of risk aversion is damaging adolescent development. And who are you arguing to? School administrators who worry about liability? Or overprotective parents? Your audience changes everything: your language, your evidence, your emotional appeals. This isn't a generic speech, it's a targeted piece of persuasion. This is where structure becomes your best friend. Start with a hook. Lay out 2 or 3 main arguments, and this is crucial. Tackle the counter-argument head-on. Acknowledging the other side doesn't weaken your case. It shows you're a credible, critical thinker. Weave in the classic appeals: logos for your logic, pathos for emotion, and ethos to prove you're a voice worth listening to. But remember, this is a performance. Write for the ear, not the eye. Use shorter sentences. Use signposting like, "My first point is." Ask your audience rhetorical questions. Pause for effect. Your script is a blueprint, but your delivery is what builds the house. Success in this task doesn't come from natural talent. It comes from relentless preparation. Practice until the speech isn't something you're reading, but something you're saying. Make it count.